heating up, so I think I fixed it. Yay! We fixed it! Yay!
But we don't have to get a new one.
Yeah. In my last video, you've seen that this thing didn't work, so I'm gonna try to fix it right now. See if I can troubleshoot it by myself before I get a new one. So we're just gonna remove all the screws. You can see a screw in there. I think there's some screw in this hole, some of this holes, because I've opened this before. So we're gonna move all the screws. So I got 6 screws in total. And to remove this thing, you just have to like pop it out. Just be gentle and trying to pop this out. See, it just comes right off. So you can open it at the side, but it doesn't really come off all the way because there are some wirings inside. Let's try to put the flash on. So what I'm gonna try to do is remove this screw over here so I could open it all the way. I think what's wrong is this this thing got detached. I don't know if you could see that, but this thing got detached. I need to check that out. So I just turn it on and see, it's not normal. I hear that. If you hear that noise, like a little creaking. So if you can hear that little creaking noise, that's not really normal. That's what's wrong. I can't figure it out where's that coming from. So I need to fix that. I don't know where. I'll try to insert this piece of paper and see what happens. This unit is not really heating up, so I don't know what's wrong with it. It still takes the paper. See, it's not hot at all. So see, this is not heating, so there's a problem with the heating. I don't know how to fix this. It's too hard. Figured out what's wrong. It's this one. So you can see that the other one has both ends inside, but this one is broken. I mean, this one got detached. That's why it's not heating. So we're gonna have to, I don't know if you can see that very good, but I gotta somehow put that back inside and let's see if it works. So what I'm trying to do is just cut this thing open so I can access it, and maybe I'll try to use a glue gun to glue the wires together. So I got this flathead screwdriver. This is what I'm going to use to pry, because I think they can glue this thing. They glue this thing on the tip that I can. That's why I can.
Why are these kids are like
so I'm gonna.
hungry?
So I got this flathead screwdriver. I'm gonna try to pry it so I can remove this plastic. It's kind of like stuck in there, so I'm gonna try to remove it. Is I just cut the tip. I clipped the tip of the thing because I couldn't. So I'm gonna try to open this thing. I don't know if you can see that very good. So there's some stuff in there that I can. It doesn't look good, but it's already. I got it out. So I finally removed this stuff. So this is what it looks like. Now I just gotta attach this red thing to the black. See if it works. So I'm having a hard time to peel this covering, this metal thing, so I'm just gonna cut it right there and peel this wire and then like twist them together and then glue them with a give me that glue gun, Shiloh. So I'm gonna try to use a glue gun to like keep them together. I have a glue gun over here, so let's try it. So I snipped this off. As you can see, there's this metal thing left. And then we're gonna peel the black wire a little bit and then twist them together. So I will be doing that right now. I just used a nail cutter to remove the stuff on to peel off the tip of this wire. And then we have this wire, we're gonna put it together. If you need more wire from the red, you could also strip it off a little bit. So I'm gonna turn on my glue. I'm gonna twist this thing together. So I already did the initial twisting. I did so you can see I twisted it and twisted some more. Twisted some more, and then I'm gonna top it with the glue. Twist it really good so it doesn't come off when you close it back. So I'm gonna put a glue on that, a glue gun, and then I'm gonna put this thing back to protect it just a tiny little bit. So let's see if it works. So that's how it looks like. So I've seen my dad did this before because my dad is a technician, so I have a little bit of a little background of doing the basic stuff. So my glue gun is hot, so I'm gonna put some glue on top of this so it won't come undone when I glue generously on the tip. See, I got some glue. And then I'm gonna put this little cap back, even if it's already ruined. I'm gonna put it back. Flashback. I shoved those wires back in the plastic thing, and I'm gonna turn it on and see if it works. See if this heating thing works. So let's turn it on. So I got the things. I got the wires back. So let's try to turn on the bottom. There's a on and on off bottom here. So I can still hear the cranking noise. Let's let it heat up for a little bit. I don't know if what I did fixed it.
Mom, did it?
I could already feel it heating up. It's already heating up. So I think I fixed it. Yay! We fixed it! Yay!
We don't have to get a new one.
Yes, we don't have to get a new one.
Yay!
So doing that, I'm gonna give you a recap. So what I did is I opened this thing, remove all the screws, check all your wires if you see anything disconnected. And then I saw this one disconnected, so I had to remove this thing, this cap, the protector, and then snip off the tip, the metal thing, and then just strip the tips of the wires. I stripped off the black wire and the red wire, and then twist them together, and then glue the tip and put the plastic cup back, and then there it is. It's working. The heating element is working. So I'm gonna close it back, and let's try in a little bit if it works laminating again. Snap everything back, so make sure this side is, see, this one is not, so just snap all the way back this side and the other side. So I just snapped it, and then I'm gonna put the screws. Before you snap it back together, before you put the screws back, turn it on again and make sure it's still working like it usually is, it normally is. So I'm gonna try to put this paper still working.
You pull it out, yeah?
I'm gonna put this in and see if it's
out, yeah?
see if it makes it hot. Hope it doesn't jam. There you go. And touch it if it's hot, Yomi. Let's see. Is it? It's still making that little weird noise, but it's better than last time because it's heating.
Mom,
Is it hot?
It's not.
It's not hot? It's kind of hot. Oh, it's still heating up. It needs to, this one needs to turn green. Let's wait for it to turn. You actually have to wait for this button, for this ready sign to light up. So let's Wait for it to light up before we put it again because this is not hot yet. There's the already lit up, so let's try to insert it if it's. Let's try to insert it and then see if it works. See if it's hot. Let's see if Naomi says it's hot, then it worked. It's a success. If it's hot, then it worked.
It's hot.
Yay, we did it. Now we just have to. Yeah,
it's hot.
It is. Yeah, it is hot, so it worked. So I hope this video helps. I'll be also showing you a video of how I laminated using an iron, so that's in our channel as well. If you wanna look at it, I'll link the video below. Thanks for watching. I actually redid my my Bible tubs because I fixed my thing and it's so much better with a laminator. There's no bubbles, no nothing. So it looks really nice with just the laminator. So yeah, the ironing doesn't really do a good job. So I'm doing it twice so that it's really sealed.
I think I can try this.
So this is how you remove the backing board for laminating just the front. There, you just cut the bottom, cut the sides, and
favorite.
so if you look at closely the sides, yeah, that's where you're gonna cut it. The transparent side to remove the front from the back.
I do need a dolly in that.
So I've removed all the corners. Here's the remnants. So now you could just peel off this. See, it just comes right off. So this is the cardstock with the other side of the laminate, and this is the front side that you want. This is the how you laminate. This is how you laminate Bible tab, and then you're gonna like run it again on the laminator just to make sure it's. It goes with this. I just remove this side. Now I gotta cut this side and this side, and it's just gonna pop right out. All the sides. Now you could just remove the back. The back piece just falls off. And then you can run this again on the. So now you have your tabs.
Well, the dew is still on the road.
So yeah, that's how you laminate the front of a sticker.